All right. So it's also worth noting that the rising temperatures have other effects on our food. A hotter climate means more crop diseases and pests, as 40% of food crops are lost to disease and pests, and that's likely to worsen now. And rising carbon dioxide levels make rice, corn, soy, and wheat less nutritious, which actually I had no idea, but that's super sad and interesting at the same time. So I want to circle back
It's
to
basically just
how,
cornflakes. Everything's just a
yeah,
cornflake now.
that's what, yeah,
Everything's just breakfast food.
it's going to be eating dried cereal of
Yeah,
everything.
for the
Yeah,
rest of our lives. Great.
it's dystopian. All right, so circling back to how our food value chain impacts the climate. You guys might like be like, of course, but let me just say it anyway. Food needs to be grown, processed, transported, distributed, prepared, consumed, and disposed of. These food related events are the primary drivers for biodiversity loss on this planet. 1/3 of all human caused greenhouse gas emissions is linked to food, with the largest chunk coming from from agriculture and land use. So think of methane from cattle, nitrous oxide from fertilizers, carbon dioxide from deforestation. But there's also cultivation, energy consumption, burning waste, refrigeration, and packaging. Now, no surprise here. I'm sure we've all heard it before. Animal based food is the heaviest polluter, especially red meat, dairy, and farmed shrimp. 83% of farmland is used for livestock and their feed crops. But meat and dairy that is produced only account for 18% of the calories consumed by humans. So we just really need to rethink nutrition and our global food system. But there's not all doom and gloom, right? You're probably waiting for me to ask what is being done or can be done. And there are a few things. And I'm curious how you feel about these, Antoine, and if they're going to solve the climate crisis. But let me tell you a few happenings
Okay.
around the
As
world.
long as you're not going to lower the alcohol content.
No, we're going to keep that. There is no solution for the grapes, folks. We are
Okay.
we are stuck with that sweet, sweet sugary wine. Dessert wine
The
for everyone.
Manischewitz for all. Just sweet, sweet grape juicy. It's like thick, It's like
Yeah.
syrup. When you drink it, you're just like,
I hope you like
that's
Concord grapes, folks.
yeah, some good, some good, good drinking, some
All
good
right.
licking wine.